Hi guys, I'm going to be telling you how to use an iconic reward coupon on your next subscription. So first up, we want to head to drinkiconic.com. Make sure you are logged in. If you don't have a login, you can create one on the account page. Once you're logged in, you'll get to the account details. We want to head to manage subscriptions. And then you can see there's an option here to apply by discount code. So I'm going to head to my Iconic Rewards profile at the bottom right down here, scroll down for the coupon that I'm looking for, which is $5 off next subscription order. Click Get Reward, yes. And then I want to copy that. And if you forget it, no worries, it shows up down here for you. So then I'm going to head back to my subscription, apply discount code, paste in the code, and click save. So sometimes you need to click save again for it to fully go through, and therefore it has been approved. And there it has been approved, $5 off, and that will come off the next order. And that's it. Thanks for listening.